Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Learn English Today. In today's video, we are going to explore some interesting and useful idioms and phrases which will surely help you sound more fluent in English. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first one is call it a day. Call it a day meaning to stop a particular activity for the rest of the day यानी किसी काम खत्म कर देना काम रोक देना कोई एक्टिविटी है उसको खत्म कर देना टू स्टॉप डूइंग समथिंग बिकॉज यू हैव डन एनफ यानी कि बहुत काम हो गया है तो अब काम को खत्म करके छुट्टी करो एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस आफ्टर 8 hours of coding I think it's time to call it a day. Next sentence, the workers packed up their tools and called it a day. यानी कि काम को रोक देना उस दिन के लिए काम को ख़त्म कर देना या किसी पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी को रोक देना. Next is to make someone's day. To make someone's day, meaning to make someone very happy. यानी किसी को बहुत खुश कर देना, उसके साथ कुछ ऐसा करना कि जिससे उसका दिन कामयाब हो जाए और वो उस दिन वो बहुत खुश हो जाए. मतलब किसी को कुछ सरप्राइज़ देना या कुछ ऐसा गिफ्ट देना या किसी के लिए कुछ ऐसा करना कि उसको बहुत अच्छा फ़ील हो और वो बहुत खुशी मिले, तब इस इडियम मेक समवन्स डे का यूज़ किया जाता है. एग्ज़ाम्पल सेंटेंसेस सीइंग अ स्माइल ऑन माय मॉम्स फेस ऑलवेज मेक्स माय डे. Next sentence, getting a surprise gift from my friend totally made my day. Make someone's day means to make someone very happy. किसी को बहुत ढेर सी खुशी देना. Next is at the end of the day. At the end of the day means ultimately in final analysis or when everything is considered. मतलब आखिरकार अंत में यानी हर चीज़ को ध्यान में रख के सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है. Example sentences at the end of the day results matter more than effort. Next sentence, the team faced many challenges, but at the end of the day, they achieved their goal. At the end of the day, matlab when finally, when everything is considered. It means what really matters in the end. आखिर में जो सबसे important है. Last one is one fine day. One fine day, meaning suddenly on some unspecified or unremarkable day, यानी एकदम से अचानक किसी भी दिन. Example sentences one fine day I received a letter that changed my life forever. Next sentence one fine day he decided to quit his job and travel the world. So one fine day means someday in future on a nice day something happened. कभी भी एक किसी दिन अचानक से. So that's it for today. Now it's time to take a quick recap what we have learned today. The first one is call it a day. Next is make someone's day. At the end of the day, one fine day. That's all for today. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked the video and found it useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, happy learning and thanks for watching.